Hello friends, today we have a drip irrigation kit. Here's a tube of smaller size and a larger one, and then we have a couple of accessories. So this is the here are a couple of parts. So this is where the water will come out. We can adjust the volume. Here we have one ball valve. Then this is the holder. So I've attached a ball valve using the larger tube, and then this is a T connection. You can see it's connected to the tap. This is to fix it onto the larger tube. So here you can see the smallest tube connected to the larger one. So this is how the water would come out, to the plants. You can position it wherever you want. Now I'm going to put it back in. You just have to poke it into the soil like this. So I started the water, and you can adjust the volume by rotating the knob.